And we're now pulling transmission.
Well, there's
just to make sure that there's fluid and everything in it.
Yeah, because it's gonna pump. All right. Yeah. Well, it's.
And I mean, how's that smell, by the way?
Old, but not horrible at all.
Good.
It doesn't look bad either. Thank God my work clothes are also a rag. All right, so we're good there. I have the coil unhooked. Get that back in there, and then
So I'm gonna try and
crank this for about 15 seconds. Let's let it rest, and then crank for 15 again. And then with that,
neutral. So you ready?
yeah, go ahead. It cranks okay.
Yeah.
It does go da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So, you know, we're going to have to compression test it, obviously.
Oh, without a doubt.
But let's hit it one more time for another 15 seconds or so. And then let's give it a little brake clean, see what she does.
You ready?
Yeah. All right.
So now I'll fill the carb.
Let's fill her up with some Break 'em a Clean.
Break 'em a clean.
Which is a lot easier on this stuff than ether.
Yeah.
And everybody's like, you need to start cars. Guess what? It's better than ether because
Ether will take out a head gasket.
ether will take out a lot of things because its octane is so low. This is cute right here, nice and kind of pinched. But,
Yeah.
and the hose clamp's off. But whoa, hey Scotty, got a little excited there, eh?
Yeah.
Making a mess. All right, you got your coil hooked up. Give it a little spritz. I will run the carbonator. Let's see what we got. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
I can't move the throttle. I cannot move the throttle at all. Do you want to try to push the pedal, please? As I can't even move it. It's that gummed up. Well, that sucks.
Can you do the butterfly or no?
I can't physically push it.
Ready?
Oh, wait, there. Ugh. Okay, work the pedal a few times. There you go. Okay. Let's hit it. I'll run the throttle. Go. Yeah. Let me check and see if we have Sparky Spark.
Yep.
Let's see.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we will get back to you in a couple of minutes.
Well, I'm ready to check for Spark if you just want to hit the key, bud.
If it zaps you, can I laugh?
Yes. Like when Wick got the MSD box.
Ready?
Yeah. We have Spark. We have Spark.
We got Sparky Spark.
We have Sparky Spark. Get in there, you bastard.
Easy,
I'm
easy.
gently tapping it. You know, tap her softly.
What did we say?
I said tap her softly. I didn't say anything
What
inappropriate.
did we say?
I'm being good. I could have said something else. Scotty's trying to make me a grown-up and I don't like it. But we have Spark, faux show. Give me a little more Break 'em a Clean too.
That's not going on fire.
That's what she said. All right.
I'll try and close that
There we go. I got it. All right. Choke is now set. Scotty's adjusting this. Ben's here. Say hi, Ben.
Morning. I ain't even had all my coffee yet.
Yeah. I had a whole pot of coffee before I even got here.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm all right. And I had some All Brand. I feel like a new man. I slept that over the weekend for once.
And Mama still in Texas?
No, she got home Saturday.
Ready?
Hit it! Well, that's promising. Here, let's leave it right about here.
Ready?
Go. Well,
Let me know when you're ready.
it tries. Put the thing in park because it was starting to kind of move a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah. All right, so timing's probably off, but it sputters. It definitely is trying to run, but we definitely need to do a compression test too. But
I'm guessing it flamed.
no,
You can smell it.
but it did backfire through the carb.
Yeah.
But
So fuel, plugs, wires, cap, rotor.
yeah, we want to do compression test.
Yeah.
We'll do that. Cooling system pressure test too. So let's do the cooling system pressure test next because we're right here, and then we'll get it up on the lift and see what we got. Good job,
Sounds like a plan.
gentlemen. Gentlemen.
Cheerios. Patch job. Gonna leak.